Hey guys, so I'm just going to walk you through exactly what you'll be doing for us. You're going to go into whatever web browser you prefer and type in the login credentials that we're going to provide you with on this website right here, jeditronics.com/admin.php. Now from here, we're going to go into products and then click on categories. No, it is not products, but actually the general categories that you are going to be editing meta tags and descriptions for the most part. You will do some products, but in general, it's going to be categories. So we would go down here in consumer electronics. This is the only category you will not do, cameras and camcorders. You're going to skip this one because this one is already done. So we'd go on to the next category, computer. Now, computer itself needs to be edited. Every single category needs to be edited. So you would type in meta description, meta keywords, and then copy and paste whatever description you do here and put that in the description up here. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to get these keywords. These keywords are going to be those that when people type them in Google search, if those meta keywords are our keywords, we are going to have a better chance of coming up on the first page of Google. So one way to do this, my preferred way, if you like a different way and you know it's good, go ahead, but I really like this method. We're going to go to trends.google.com and type in computers. Now, if you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see related searches. You're going to see the queries that people are typing in when they search for computers. Dell computers, very popular. So we can go ahead and put that in as a meta keyword. Laptop computers, also very popular. Best computers. Now we notice we skipped Dell here because we already put in Dell computers, so we don't need to include Dell again. So you got to think a little bit with regards to how you do this. Another method you can use is to just simply type in computers in Google search and see what related searches come up. Now I like the other way better, but this also works. If you can't find enough good terms in trends.google, you might want to go here for ideas. Now you look here, history of computers. Well, someone who's searching that probably is not a potential customer, so we would not include that. In this particular category, it looks like Google Trends gave us the best information because HP computers is obviously on the decline. People are not buying HP as much, but people are looking for Apple computers. So we go here, we type Apple computers. So you got to really use your head here and think about who the customers are, and when they're searching stuff on Google, what do they tend to be looking for? They're probably looking for Apple computers more so than HP, and that's confirmed here by the fact that we have Apple computers as a very high probability word. And if you're so interested, you don't need to do this, but you can search Apple computers and put it against HP computers. Oh wow, I'm actually quite surprised. HP is still a very popular term, so you actually could put HP here. if you wanted to. As you can see, there's not a big difference, and you might think to yourself, well, our competition is probably putting in Apple computers. Um, Apple's a very trendy word right now, so we might say, we're probably not going to get on the first page for Apple computers. We're going to put HP computers. Use your best judgment. Now for meta descriptions, you just you can basically look at what other sites are doing, like Amazon. Search by computers. Best Buy comes up, Amazon comes up. Just look at what they're saying and more or less copy them. Just, get a computer design to meet your needs. Notice how they're naming all the big words here. Laptops, desktop, all-in-one, computers, monitors, computer hardware at Best Buy. Accessories, PC components. Shop for all your computer needs. So you'd go in here. Let's see, what do I want to write? Lowest price computers. Or do they use capitals or not? Let's find out. No, they don't. They do actually. It depends. Depends what you're saying. If we're trying to really get people's attention here, we might use capitals. Computers and computer components on the internet. On the internet, guaranteed. Right? People like to hear that word, guaranteed. There's no spell check on here, so if you're unsure how to spell a word like I am right now, yes, it's guaranteed. Okay, good. Notice how I didn't capitalize the little words, but I did capitalize the big words. Exclamation point, get people's attention. Computer components on the internet guaranteed. Now I'm going to go over here. What are the words they're using? Accessories, laptops and tablets, desktop and monitors. Desktop and monitors, accessories, hardware, software. Right, we're naming all those buzzwords that people are looking for to make sure if they're searching for that particular part, it's going to come up. Laptops and tablets. Monitors, hard drive and storage. And then you want to use like an action word to call them to action. Save big today. Right? Something simple like that. You're going to copy that and paste it into the description here. And then you're done with that product category. Save and close, you could do. Or you could save and continue editing over here. Yeah, you probably would not want to save and close. That was my mistake because it's going to be more. It's going to waste more time going back to this page. Um, but I just want to make a note here. We already did cameras and camcorders. You're not going to do this, but you need to edit for any given topic. Say consumer electronics. We go to cameras and camcorders. Cameras and camcorders. It has its own meta description and meta keywords. Whoever did this messed up. They should have included this in the description as well. But you need to do this for cameras and camcorders, cameras and microphones. You have to do it for every single product. And this is why I want to bring your attention to this. Inside the general category, cameras and camcorders, there's another category, cameras and photo. So when you see this side arrow here, you not only need to edit each product, but you have to open up this category, edit cameras and photo, and edit all of its products that are inside cameras and photo. So I go here. See how this person did this? You edit the categories, each category itself, and all of the categories inside of it. And if something inside of it has a side arrow next to it, you need to make sure that anything inside of it is also edited. Batteries would be edited, digital camera batteries. Again, we did cameras and camcorders already, but I'm just showing you to make sure that you don't miss any particular category. Make sure you get every single one. And then obviously, you can, instead of going back like I've been, you can edit it right here. You can edit computers, then go on to computer networking. Edit that. Go on to computer speakers. Edit that. Some of these are going to be done already for you. That's good for you. Less work than I thought you had to do. But that's it. Thank you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. If you have any doubts, if you're not sure about what to do about something, let me know, because the worst thing for both of us would be I don't want to waste your time. I want to make sure you do everything right the first time around so that you get paid as soon as possible and you don't waste any time doing work that doesn't need to be done. So thank you, and we'll be in touch.